Hello, hello. I did not realize we are live. I hope you guys could hear me. I hope you guys could hear me. I hope you guys could hear me. Just let me know if you guys could hear me. Just as market is bearish, leaning bearish. Yeah, we do anticipate a short position in here for our trade. I was like, you can't take this trade. When this get this high on charts, I was bearish. I was like, this is my high on charts, and we do anticipate this is my stop loss. It should have to keep this value gap open from just to this 30-minute time frame value gap. So it is more of a like a 2 hour trade, not a very good trade. So yeah, I think you guys could hear me now. So I'm leaning further bearish toward downward side because we are bearish and we have this is the low on previous. If you could see on previously, um, that could be the reason for the market to be continue to be bearish. And the reason I'm anticipating this, the way this 4 hour time frame close, we have gone all the way toward upper side, close bullish, but the way this created this wick inside this 4 hour time value gap and then coming back down, closing bullish, but massive wick toward massive wick. So that's why, and overall we're bearish as well too. That's why I'm leaning bearish on chart. And if you could see in here, this is the 30-minute time frame value gap as well. We should have to invert this value gap, tends to be bearish, but it don't needs to go down all the way in here because the reason is today is Friday. Morning session is more of like done. It is 11 o'clock right now, and we may not go down to disrupt this low on charts. We could come down to this low, which is 80, which is the low is at 80.5k, approximately 80.5k. We could go down all the way to this low, maybe this low, and after that we have 80.6k is this previous low. We can, because we're bearish, we cannot deny we haven't going down. Maybe today as well market has to be bearish on charts, and we can anticipate this low could be knocked off on charts. If not this low, these lows can be knocked off as well. It should have to invert this value gap where we're trading inside and has to tend to be bearish on charts. Let me highlight this low, the closest possible target, which is what we're chasing right now, which could be this one on charts. Oh, sorry, it could be this one on charts, 81.6k from the market. Let's see if it has a potential to give me this one. Not this one. At least if it could give me this one on just as because we are going down, we have seen a rejection from the 4 hour time frame Beverly gap, quite aggressive rejection, come back down, invert this 15-minute time. When it got this week, I was like, yeah, it is going down. I was leaning bullish at this point as well because I was like, I was anticipating a narrative. My anticipation was like